So in GIMP, what you can also do is you can directly go around and open out from a web location. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto the file menu, and over here you can see that open location is an option. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and enter out a URL right here just like this. And if I were to go ahead and click on open, then what happens is that it downloads the image from that particular source and then opens up the image just like that, as you can see right there. So I'm just going to go around over here, copy out another image location as well, and then I'm going to go around and click on open location right here just like this. And if I were to go around and press Control V right here and click on open, then another image right here opens up just like that as well, just like this, as you can see. Similarly, I'm going to go around and copy out another image address. Let's say, for example, click on open right here, not open, but I'm just going to go around to open location, paste it out right here, and press open right here just like this as well. So once I go around and do that, you can see that I got image loaded up directly from web sources. And that is how you can open location directly inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.